In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another list in Trello. Whether you're starting to get familiar with Trello or enhancing your current productivity setup, understanding how to efficiently add lists to your boards can be a game changer. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks and projects, and lists are a core component of this functionality. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. It's a wonderfully intuitive site where all your Trello endeavors await. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this with your email, or if you prefer things simple and streamlined, use your Google account to access everything in one swift move. Logging in with Google can save you some time and keep things easy, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts. After you're comfortably logged in, navigate to the Boards section. This is like your central hub in Trello, where all your boards are neatly organized for easy access. If you have multiple workspaces, you'll find them here. It's a convenient way to jump around and find what you need without any hassle. Within the Your Workspaces area, select the workspace that contains the board you'd like to add a list to. Simply click on the board that you want to work on. It will bring up your current board setup with all the existing lists and cards that you've been working on. Now comes the main focus of our session today: adding a new list. On your chosen board, scroll to the far right where you'll see the option to add another list. It's typically found next to your existing lists and offers a straightforward way to expand your board with additional categories. Click that option. Once you're ready to proceed, it's time to name your new list. This step is crucial as you'll want your list name to be descriptive enough to convey its purpose at a glance. Think about how this new list will serve your workflow and give it a title that will help you and your team understand its role. When you've come up with a fitting name, go ahead and type it into the provided field. After you've entered the list name, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will confirm the creation of your list, and voila! Your new list will be added to the board, ready to take on new tasks and organize your upcoming projects. Congratulations on enhancing your Trello board and optimizing your organization system. Now that you know how to add lists in Trello, you're ready to take your productivity to the next level. Keep exploring Trello, and until next time, keep your projects organized and your tasks sorted.